Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to know about the preparation of the standard solution of oxalic acid. So we will prepare 250 centimeter cube of M by 20 standard solution of oxalic acid. So the aim should be to prepare 250 centimeter cube of M by 20 standard solution of oxalic acid. The apparatus required chemical balance, weight box, weighing tube, measuring flask, funnel water glass, burette and pipette. Chemical required hydrated oxalic acid, distilled waters, chemical reaction. Left hand side you can see the molecular formula of oxalic acid and the product is 2CO2 plus 2H2O plus 2H plus ions plus 2 electron. Theory. The molecular mass of oxalic acid is C2H2O4 2H2O and the molecular mass is 126. To prepare standard solution of M by 20 oxalic acid, the mass required to weighing is M means molarity equals to small w by M. Here the small w is the mass required to weighing and capital M is molecular mass of the oxalic acid and into 1000 by V. Here V is a volume. We know the molarity is 1 by 20 and the molecular mass is 126 and volume is 250. Then put the values in the formula. Then we will get the required mass of oxalic acid, that is 1.575 gram for M by 20 standard solution of oxalic acid. Procedure. First, we will take a watch glass and wash it through distilled waters. Then, weighing are clean and dry on chemical balance and note its weight. After that, weighing accurately on the watch glass 1.575 gram oxalic acid and note this weight in the notebook. Then, transfer the oxalic acid into the clean and dry measuring flask with the help of funnel. Wash the watch glass with distilled waters by using a wash bottle. Then swill the measuring flask until the oxalic acid gets dissolved. Then add more distilled waters to the measuring flask just below the mark in the neck of flask. Add few ml of distilled waters to the flask by using the pipette to touch the mark. Then keep stopper on the mouth of the measuring flask. Then shake gently to make the solution homogeneous. Calculation. Mass of the oxalic acid to be weighed is 1.575 grams. Mass of the watch glass W1. Mass of the watch glass you will measure in the lab and mass of the watch glass plus oxalic acid is W2 and mass of the oxalic acid is equals to W1 minus W2 equals to 1.575 grams and then volume of the solution prepared is 250 centimeter cube. Precautions. First is watch glass should be clean and dried. Second is oxalic acid should not spill on the chemical balance. Third is transforming the oxalic acid from the watch glass. Keep the watch glass near to the funnel so that the oxalic acid should not be fall on the table. Fourth is shaking the solution softly. Now our solution will be prepared for 250 centimeter cube of M by 20 oxalic acid. Thank you.